There is something that has launched in the last few weeks, which is probably one of the rarest things that we've seen for quite some time, and that is a print magazine. But it is more than that. It is a print magazine that is dedicated to FPV, and it is called Fly Tribe. Now, if I just hop over to the desktop and take you to the website, it has just been released. Its first issue is available to get now. And frankly, when I first saw this shown on JB's channel, he showed it in his live stream, it looked absolutely phenomenal. Now, there is a digital version of this that you can see on there as well, and this gives you a look at what it actually looks like. And look, this book just looks phenomenal. It really does, because not only is it, you know, this is a color print magazine. When was the last time we had a color print magazine for anything, let alone something that is dedicated to the sport or the hobby that we love, which is FPV? And look, the images on this are phenomenal. I was looking at the photography, and I am a guy who, I'm not a photographer, but the images in this are just stunning. The shots, the overall color, everything that they've done on this just looks phenomenal. Look, I want to be that guy. Just look at that guy. Who does not want to be that guy? I also noticed this. Is this not the location as well that the Rotor Riot video was... the Fat Shark Dominator video is filmed at? I'm sure that looks like the same location. I could be wrong, but it does look like that place as well. But it looks like the location. And look, it shows you the contents of the magazine here. And look, it's just a beautifully put together, and that is the term I want to use. It's really nicely done, beautifully put together, great images, and it's just putting our hobby, our sport in a different light, and you just don't see stuff like this. You really, really don't. The photography is absolutely outstanding. I like the color grade as well. It's got a real dark feel to the color grade. It's got, it's quite contrasty, but it's a real nice tone to it. Look at that quad. That's a beast. Look at that. That's a great image. Talking about flight controllers here. Look at that. Wow, I need to write something for this. It's just phenomenal. Glossy pages. Absolutely phenomenal. Mr. Bot Grinder himself. That man is an absolute legend. He really, really is. That guy just... I see an FPV lady. Always good. But he's just an absolute... See, look at that location. That location is awesome. We just don't have that stuff abandoned here. That's the real frustration where I am. It's like nothing. It's just nothing like that abandoned around here. I have got one place, but it's bloody locked up. I can't get to it. It's completely locked up. It's just... This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. A centerfold FPV poster would be awesome. That is an amazing idea. That is an amazing idea. Just so nicely done. Look, I strongly suggest checking it out. I'm not going to go through the whole thing here. I'm not going to spoil it. I don't want to do that. You need to go and get it for yourself, okay? The link to this will be in the description of this video. It's called Fly Tribe. Digital first issue is out now. You can register. Please go do so. Please go support them, because this kind of stuff doesn't come along very often. And to have our hobby in something like this is just amazing as well.